something to say, there's something to say.
Quiet on set. We rolling. Continue.
All right, guys. So our house 21 with Kyle and Pedro. We're not just doing a random walk through the woods. We are actually on a hunting expedition.
We are some men on a mission.
It's Wabbit season, and we're hunting the rabbits.
It's drone season.
So, yeah, and we're hunting drones.
We hunt. Pedro, what we hunting? We hunting drones. Drones. Say right, drones. Drones. It's drone season.
So what had happened was, I came out here with a good friend from college and her kids a few months ago. And their kids were like, ooh, we want to fly, we want to fly. So I had a $30 toy grade Air Hogs drone that I was like, sure, what could go wrong? Well, it went up, the wind caught it, and I figured the best thing to do to try to not have anything bad happen was to grab the stick and kill the throttle so that it would drop out of the sky.
When in doubt, drop it out.
Problem was, it was already past the tree line. So it dropped out of the sky as planned right into the top of a tree.
So which tree?
It's up here. So
we're gonna see if it came out yet.
Yeah, so we are coming down here to see if we can find what we're going to see if it fell out of the tree. And if it did fall out of the tree, hopefully recover it. If it is still in the tree, I'm not really sure what we're going to do there.
Hey, y'all throw me.
I was tempted to try to climb the tree, except it was covered by a thorn bush.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say spider web.
No, it's covered by like thorny vines.
Ah.
So I was like, that would not have been a good look. It's a good hill.
I know. Hey, so your knees hurting as well. Like, it's just me.
Bro, I'm upset because like 13-year-old me would be running up this hill.
I know.
Like, you're like,
like I'm walking, but like, yo, my legs.
my knees.
They buckling. Yo,
Okay, I have almost 30 years on you guys. I'm just like trekking up the hill. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just walking. I'm just like, we just noticed something. It's just like,
Man, we gotta get back into shape.
I know, right? I need to keep on rollerblading.
I think it's that Thanksgiving ham.
That itis.
So, is that? No, that's not it.
Which tree did it go in?
The drone is red and black. So it was, you can see it from the edge before.
Was it in this area?
Yeah, it's like up right on the edge of the tree line. I want to say it was like towards in the middle. It's a little red and
I ain't. Whew. I almost jumped straight into a thorn bush.
trying to talk to people.
You gotta be careful. I got this.
You know the drone I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, the little baby black one.
Yeah, the red and black one.
You found it? Wait. Ah, yeah. Did it fall out?
Nope, right there. So there is the drone. I don't know. Let me see if I can zoom on my phone here. Yep, there it is up at the top of the tree. And here is my bizarre, crazy son fighting through the thorn bush to see if he can get into the tree. Against my better judgment, but he's young. Would you like some gloves?
You know what? I would really enjoy some gloves right now.
Okay. Here's a 1. Okay. And here's a 2.
Thank you.
All right.
Just one has an asterisk and stuff with it.
Oh. Okay. All right, so let's see how insane my child is.
Sturdy enough if you're fast enough.
So the thing is, he's got about 100-pound advantage on me. That sounds weird saying, but yeah. So he has a much better chance of not falling to his death doing this than I do.
Got it. I mean, I got the branch.
And he got it. And watch, he step on it on the way down.
I get right below me, isn't it?
Pretty much.
I got it.
And he is almost about to step on it. There you go.
I touching my hat. I said I got it, didn't I?
Search and recovery.
I said, what? I got it.
That is cool. All right, that's my thumbnail. All right, guys. So we have successfully recovered the drone. So at least something went well today.
Yep. I have so many sticks up my jacket. Because like at the end, it was just like a little, like it was a little wall of it. It was like they're all dead. So I was just whoosh, just grabbing and ripping it through. And I'm like,
yeah. Well, see, that's
the
what
thorn bush was pretty much like just dying. So it was like just breaking all the little twigs.
So it's good we waited. So now the question is, will this thing fire up?
Is it even alive?
It should be. Well, we're going
The house for a little bit.
It should be okay. Let's fire this guy up. This is awesome. Thank you, Kyle.
No, you're welcome.
All right, sweet. All right, guys, this was fun. Hopefully we won't have very many more adventures like this. But yeah, this is our second aircraft search and recovery mission so far, isn't it?
What was first?
The convergence.
Oh yeah, when that something hit the bird.
Okay, so now we're walking down the hill, the long, steep hill, but we have successfully recovered the drone, so that's good. Yep. So we had to put about a $50 effort into getting a $30 drone, but that's all right.
$50 effort? Yeah, that's not even that much money. Like I climbed pretty far.
Okay, well, never mind then. All right. So we got the drone. Life is good. All right, guys. Our House 21 and Kyle and Pedro signing out. Remember the mantra: fly, fix, fly. Break it, fix it, do it all over again. This is short, so I won't go through the whole spiel. Later, guys. Peace.
Don't forget to hit up the Patreon. Don't forget about that, Dad.
Okay, Kyle. Bye. Peace.